What's going on? How's it going, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing good today. Just wanted to do an update real quick on my radio. So I bought a radio. Probably shouldn't have done it, but went to AutoZone, bought a radio, and okay, that wasn't the mistake. So the mistake was I ordered the harness that I needed for my car to put the radio in for the doubled-in radio. And once I got it, I was excited, so I was like, all right, cool, let me install it. Once I did that, once I disconnected the factory radio, I cut the harness for the radio into the harness. So by that, I made a big mistake, and I probably shouldn't have done that. So it was tough. I literally spent the whole day. It was on Saturday. I did some Saturday. Literally spent the whole day trying to figure out, how to connect the wires. Going to forums, going online, searching everything up on YouTube. Couldn't find anything, so I was like, it's whatever, fine. So after that, the next day, I had my girl's uncle help me out. We were trying to get the radio hooked up. We had to bypass the amp because since it's a Type S, it has the Bose amp, and we couldn't get that figured out. So yeah. Then after that, I was like, all right, you know what, this is it. I eventually, took it in to, get it professionally done. And, came up on a good deal. I was able to get, 2 front speakers, 2 rear speakers, a subwoofer, amp, 5-channel amp, so that way I can connect this subwoofer right to the amp. I was ready to get a different radio, upgraded radio, a Kenwood radio, because the one I got from it was $100, so it was a cheap little radio, but I was able to get that. So yeah, I'll just show you guys everything, and yeah. All right, so back, I had to go do something real quick, but so this is the radio that they installed. It's a Kenwood radio. It's amazing. It's been a couple of days since I've had it, since I got it back from the shop. It took them 2 days to get it, so yeah, this is amazing. Get back here real quick so I can show you guys. This is the Kenwood, the amp is the amp right here that I'm using right now. This one that they gave me, it's a 5-channel amp. So yeah, they actually redid the whole wiring. So they redid all the wiring and everything from the radio to the amp to the subwoofer in the back. Let me show you guys real quick the subwoofer. There it is right there. It's the subwoofer right there. And they put the speakers right here in the back. I know for me, it was hard because, I cut the wiring harness by accident. So, by doing that, it was, it was really hard to, because I was trying to look up forums, like I said. So there wasn't really anything for me to look up. And I was trying to search up videos on how to, do it. And I didn't really, know how to, because I want to do it myself, I want to do this whole car myself, because, this is like my little project, my first car projects and stuff like that. So I want to do it myself, but, this was beyond me. So I had to go take it to, someone professional to do it. But I'm actually happy that I did, because I'm very happy with the results. And, I'm so happy with how the car is looking so far, and happy with the results. So, let me turn it off for you guys so you can get a good look at it. Yep, there it is. Yes, sir. Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna go to the radio real quick so you guys can hear it real quick. Yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, but yeah, if you guys need any help, I'll link the forums down low in the description so that you guys can check it out. And It was a forum that actually for the amp, the Bose amp, if you guys are dealing with that, it shows you which wires to connect which ones to if you didn't cut the wiring harness. So as long as you do that, then you should be fine. Just don't cut that wiring harness inside the radio itself. Just make sure you use the adapter that you buy from online or whatever car you have, you know, or your local shops. The shop that I went to actually had a bunch of harnesses, adapters, so you could just plug it in, plug and play, and connect the wires from the harness to the radio. So I'll link the forum so you guys can check it out right there. And then, yeah. Again, cannot stress this enough. Do not, I repeat, do not, if you don't know what you're doing, do not cut the wiring harness for your radio, because you're gonna have problems. For me, personally, the radio I had before from AutoZone, like I said, I got them from AutoZone. I did, when I connected the wires, I was able to turn it on, but since I said, like I said, I had a Bose amp, so it wouldn't let me I had to bypass the amp to play sound. It wouldn't play sound. It would turn on, but it wouldn't play sound. So highly recommend, do not cut the wiring harness. Just buy an adapter, plug the adapter in right from the radio to the harness. After you do that, connect the wires from the harness to the radio. And I recommend buying some butt connectors or butt plugs, whatever you want. If you use tape, I would recommend the butt plugs. I use those. It's really good. You know, make sure you buy the clamp to clamp the butt connectors in once you get that. And then I'll link the form in there. Like I said, I'll link the form so that you can know which wires to connect, which ones once you go down to the amp to bypass it, and then you can play sound. Yeah. Or if you don't want to do that, even then I'll recommend just, you know, taking it to your local, you know, audio shop, you know, just, you know, getting a full upgrade system, or even just, they have radios. I'm sure they have radios there. You could probably just buy a radio there and you know, they'll install it for you. So, you know, I either recommend that or, you know, doing the bypass. I'll link the form in there, like I said. So, you know, if you have any questions, you know, feel free to comment. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have. So, yeah, without further ado, you know, happy that I'm able to bring this to you guys. So, you know, just let me know. And, you know, it's the Carway Lifestyle, and I'm out.